Welcome to MyProjectBazaar. Our project title is Location Aware and Personalized Collaborative Filtering for Web Service Recommendation. Our modified abstract is the collaborative filtering is widely employed for making the web service recommendation. CF-based web service recommendation aim to predict the missing quality of service values of the web service, although several CF-based web service QoS prediction method have been proposed in recent years. The performance still need the significant improvement. Firstly, the existing QoS predictions method seldom considering the personalized influence of the users on the services when measuring the similarities between the users and between the services. Secondly, the web service QoS factors such as the response time and the throughput usually depend on the location of web service and the user. However, the existing web service QoS prediction method seldom took the observation into consideration. In this paper, we proposing a location-aware personalized CF method for web service recommendation. The proposed method leverages the both location of the users and the web service when selecting the similar neighbors for the target user or service. The method also including a enhanced similarity measurements for user and the web service by taking into the account the personalized influence of them. To evaluate the performance of our proposed method, we conducting a set of comprehensive experiment using the real world web service datasets. The experimental results indicate that our approaches improve the QoS predictions accuracy and computation effectiveness compared to the previous CF based methods. In our data flow diagram, first of all, we collecting the real world data set which containing the both user listed data set and the web service data set. Here we depending upon the data set size, we creating the database, then we calculating the response time for the user list. The user each user having a separate response time depending upon their web services. So here we calculating the response time for the each user to which web service. Then we calculated the ranking, the user giving a ranking depending upon their response time to the each web services. Then we finally find out that which web services are recommended for the user which are giving the less response time and giving the ranking as high are recommended to the user. Project title is Location Aware and Personalized Collaborative Filtering for Web Service Recommendations. Now we are going to start our demo. First just clicking the image, then click the button Get Dataset. Here we are going to uploading the user list dataset and viewing the content, which are all the user ID and their IP address, their country, and these are all the information related to the each user. Okay, then here we are going to get the dataset for the web service. Here service ID for each services, then this is the address, their websites for the each service provider, then their IP address for each service provider and their countries belongs to which service. Okay, then click the next button. Then here we are going to get the dataset for response time. Okay, create a column. Now inserting the data. Next, we are uploading the response time. Okay, we contain the user ID, service ID, and the response time. Okay, next, here we loading the both the user and the web service, and here we are going to find out in the response time. Now the response time is changed. Here it's response time for the each user. Next, we are going to uploading the data, and here we are going to calculating the rating. select user ID 1, select ID 12. For each user, these are the service ID which are provided for user ID 14. Likewise for different. Okay, thank you.